Hello, I want to teach you how you can use this three powerful app for your designing. This three powerful app and website. We have the remove background, remove BG, and we have remove unwanted objects, and also you can use InShot to remove background of photos. So let's go. Here we go. I'm starting with the app remove unwanted object. If there is any unwanted object in your picture that you want to remove, you can just do that in just few seconds. So I am going to use this app here, remove unwanted objects. So I'm going to show I want to show you how you can use it. It has opened. Remember, if you don't have it, you download it from the Google Play Store. So you see remove unwanted objects. So I'm going to go to the gallery now to take the picture I want. Okay, so this is the picture I want to use now to remove some of the objects I don't want. So I will go to this brush here, take the brush, let me clean here, remove this here. See, there is no stone here again. I'll go to the back. You see that thing at the back. How to remove it? How to remove here? I will do that. See, they are no more. So if I still want to remove these people here, I can still remove this person. Have you seen it? I can still remove this. And I'll go to the process. You will just remove it within few seconds. So you can be able to design or make use of your photo or picture without unwanted objects. So we are going to the next app, which is InShot, to show you how we can use it down. So when you are done here, all you have to do is to save. Go to this save here and you save. You have to confirm and you will save. Okay, let's go to the second app, which is InShot. InShot is for many things, video editing, any kind of thing you want to do. But today I'm going to teach you how you can use it to remove background of a picture. If you want the background of the picture to be transparent, you just go to the InShot, go to photo, and you now come to this place to choose new photo. Okay, like this one, let's use this one that we have used here now. Let me use another one. I have some pictures here, but I don't want the background to show. I want to remove the background here, so I will click it and I will go to down here. You will see where is written cut out. Just click on the cut out. and you see the magic. You will see the magic just now. Have you seen it? You don't need to bother yourself doing it manually or anything. So as you are done here now, all you have to do is to save your work. You go to this mark here, and if it is good, you like it the way it is, it has transparent background. Now you can use it. If you still want to put background at the back, you can go here, go to this place, choose any fine background that you want, and you put on it. You can still change the color of the background this as you want it, so you can still use your hand to bring it down. See, so with this app you are good to go. So if you just want it to be transparent, you can still cancel it and go back to the background, anything. So you see, you can use it the way you want it. See, so I'm going to go with this one. We are done. All you have to do is to save it. So let's go to the third. Okay, let's go to the third magic tool that you're going to use to remove the background of your picture. So we are going to go to Google to search for remove background. The website is remove. Just type remove.bg. Yes, to come out, you just go straight to it. It's opening. Okay, it has opened. All you have to do now is to upload the image. Okay, look for a picture. Okay, let me use this. It's doing the work now. Yes, it's removing the background. Good. Good. It has removed the background. Now you can see that this picture has a transparent background now, so you can place it anywhere you want to place it with your in your design. So you can still change the background. If you want to change the background, just go to this edit here, go to it, so that you can choose any background that you want to use. You can go to any background, see them, they are here, they are here. You can use any background that you feel like using. You can use any one. If you don't want to use the background, you can just leave it like that with the transparent background. Then you are done. You can go to the arrow facing down here to download. So you have to download.